Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to adjust the back level in this assembled LED TV. After backlight replacement to increase the lifespan of replaced LED backlights. In default it will be 100% for adjusting backlight level. Press menu 1147 on remote, then go to panel setting. Now select the backlight, adjust level minimum 30 to maximum of 60 to 70%. See, now the work is done, so that's it. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.